President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. to stop importing and selling of imported rice during rice harvest seasons. Whereas after the Rice Tariffication Law's passage, rice imports grew so significantly that the Philippines became the world's largest rice importer in 2019. This rice surplus reduced and stabilized rice prices. The immediate effect has been that since the second quarter of 2019, rice inflation has been consistently below zero. Whereas the Manila Times has published that 38,400 metric tons of imported rice had been offloaded in the Iloilo port, valued at more than 1 billion pesos. And the additional thousands of metric tons continue to be unloaded recently. Whereas this volume, when dumped into the markets of the province and city, would greatly affect the incomes of a large segment of the rice-growing economy of the province, whereby it would again bring down the price of newly harvested rice or palay to way below the production cost. Whereas the price of newly harvested rice or palay have dropped from 19 pesos to 22 pesos per kilo last April to May of 2022, to 12 pesos to 14 pesos per kilo in Iloilo, starting August of 2022. Whereas Iloilo province is mainly a rice-producing economy, and this volume of imported rice will greatly affect the livelihood of the already suffering rice farmers, bringing further economic disaster already broken by the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Whereas, as per Philippine Statistics Authority record, the province of Iloilo in particular has a rice production of 1,018,989 metric tons, a total usage of 376,668 metric tons, with a sufficiency level of 162.32%, or a surplus of 234,725 metric tons. And Western Visayas in general has a rice production of 2,356,902 metric tons, a total usage of 1,064,599 metric tons, with a sufficiency level of 132.83%, or a surplus of 366,877 metric tons. Whereas leaders, it is our responsibility to act to protect the economic welfare of our farmers. That's the content of the resolution, Madam President.
Yes, Board.
Leader moves that the resolution presented a while ago by Board Member Matt Palabrica be approved.
So moved and second the motion. Honorable Kahilig Diaz Estrada. Yes? Okay, there's co-sponsors before that. We have co-sponsors, Board Carapi and Secretary Diaz. Board Member Kahilig, other co-sponsors, Board Suliano. Anyone else? Tanan na lang mo co-sponsor? Okay. Majority, tanan na lang mo co-sponsor, and as well as approved by unanimously. Thank you.